Hello guys. This time instead of going to Himachal, we have come to Uttarakhand, a great place. We have been seeing a lot of pictures of Uttarakhand recently. We had a long weekend, so 3 days we had to go somewhere. So we thought to take a trek instead. So that's the reason we are in Chopta. It's 12 hours away from Gurgaon actually. Our trip was a little, I would say, a little different this time. So we thought to go to Makumat first, then come to Chopta, then go to Sari Village. But actually, what happened? We reached Makumat, the kind of properties, the kind of place that was. We actually did not like that much, so we thought to come to Chopta instead. If you're a beginner, if you're a beginner in trekking, so I think it's not a very treacherous one. The treks are quite easy. The roads are well built. I would say not dangerous as such, but Finally, we have reached Devariya Tal. It's a 2.5 kilometers trek that starts from Sari. It's a quite steep one, to be honest. What I would suggest you guys is, if you guys are coming here, so just if you get an opportunity to stay here for over a night, so it will be a great thing to do, because the morning here is much more beautiful than the noons, the evenings actually, because you see the sunrise from the lake, and it's a beautiful view to have. So the properties are not expensive enough. For one person, you can get it for 800 to 1,000 rupees for a night, in which they include your dinner and morning breakfast as well. So one thing I really want to tell you guys is, if you are a kind of a traveler who likes to go to, the secluded places, then Devariya Tal or Chopta, for a matter, Tungnath or Chandrashila, they are not, offbeat places. A lot of people are going there. So one benefit that I would say that we guys had was our timings was a little different from how most of people would reach these places. As an example, if I talk about Tungnath or Chandrashila, we started at 6 in the morning, so that we reached there about around 9:30, 10 o'clock on top. So it was a great time. A lot of people actually trek at 2 in the morning also to see the sunrise from up there. So maybe that's a time when you should explore these kind of places. But if you're planning to start your trek around 3 or 4, then it's going to be it's going to be shit crowded actually. Oh yeah, one more thing that you need to just remember when you come to Devariya Tal. You, before entering, you'll have to pay 150 rupees. So if in case you're not carrying cash, it's going to be a tough time. So I would suggest carry some cash with you, because these guys don't even take Paytm or Google Pay.